School attendance and absence. You can be prosecuted if your child has an unauthorized absence from school, truancy, help with getting your child to school, and legal action to enforce school attendance. Truancy is any intentional, unjustified, unauthorized, or illegal absence from compulsory education. It is a deliberate absence by a student's own free will and usually does not refer to legitimate excused absences, such as ones related to medical conditions. Legal action to enforce school attendance. Local councils and schools can use various legal powers if your child is missing school without a good reason. They can give you parenting order. This means you have to go to parenting classes. You'll also have to do what the court says to improve your child's school attendance. Education supervision order if the council thinks you need support getting your child to go to school. But you're not cooperating, they can apply to a court for an education supervision order. A supervisor will be appointed to help you get your child into education. The local council can do this instead of prosecuting you, or as well. School attendance order. You'll get a school attendance order if the local council thinks your child is not getting an education. You have 15 days to provide evidence that you've registered your child with the school listed in the order or that you're giving them home education. If you do not, you could be prosecuted or given a fine. Your local council can give each parent a fine of £80, rising to £160 if you do not pay within 21 days. From the 2024 to 2025 school year, each parent will only get up to 2 fines for the same child in a 3-year period. If you get a second fine in 3 years, it will be £160. If you do not pay the fine in 28 days, you may be taken to court for keeping your child out of school. If your child is off school 3 or more times within the 3 years, you will not be fined, but may be taken to court. If you are taken to court, you could get a fine of up to £2,500, a community order, or a jail sentence of up to 3 months. The court could also give you a parenting order. You can teach your child at home, either full or part-time. This is called home education. If your child is currently at school, you should tell the school if you plan to educate them at home. The school must accept if you're taking your child out completely. They can refuse if you want to send your child to school some of the time. If your child is attending school because of a school attendance order, you must get permission from your local council before you can educate them at home.